Welcome to a new episode in the Sachs drama. Topic of today: stubborn bearings. In some instances, the bearings sit in such a way that you cannot reach them with a puller. They either sit in a blind hole where you can't get anything underneath them, or any other things that makes it very impractical to get to them with a puller. You can sometimes use an expanding puller that sits inside the bearing and just expands out, and then you can hope that it'll grab and get it out that way. Or they are oddly shaped, so there's no way to grip the bearing on the inside. And as you can see on this bearing here, there's no room to get underneath it. It might look like it, but that's the shoulder for the seal, and the bearing sits right down at the bottom of the bore, and there's nothing I can grip on here. So how are we going to get that out? Aluminum expands a whole lot more than steel does, and we can take advantage of that. We can heat our case to around 80 degrees Celsius, properly through the casing, and then we can take advantage of another law, and that is every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So if we heat this good and it just doesn't fall out, we can take our deadblow hammer and knock on the case, and it should come out. So let's try that. If we flip it around, we can measure right here. We are at 65 degrees Celsius on this side, and 58 on that side. So we need to go some more. $85, 90. Oh, okay, it's hot. More heat. See that? It's pretty hot, but and out it went. Easy. We had to go to pretty much 100 degrees before it came out. There is another nice thing about using heat to both install and remove bearings, and that is when you press, say when you're pressing a bearing in on a cold case, there is a chance that the bearing race ain't gonna sit perfectly flat and straight, and then it will weeble wobble a little bit, and it'll drag aluminum with it. And the same goes when you take it out. You know, things sits, and it sits with a press fit. I don't know what it is, but it's not just a little bit. And you can pull aluminum with you out. And that's also why I believe it also states in a lot of workshop manuals that you should heat the cases, both on removal of bearings and installing new ones. And if you have painted your case with a VHT engine paint that requires to be baked, you paint it, you put it in the oven, you take it out, it's baked, and you drop your bearings in at the same time. So that's a neat little trick. And that concludes this little video. And in the next one we will be in for some serious trouble. So stay tuned for that. Or maybe not. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you. Take care.